Hello there, welcome to the video. Today we're going fishing, as you can probably see. It's 4 seasons out there. But, however, we're going to, what you call it, got with the light gear. I said we might be going fishing in my last video, and we are. We're going to the Pallion. Well, not Pallion, sorry, the Tyne. We're going to fish at Market Heworth, what we know quite well. There's been a lot of small, undersized codling there, a load of good sized flounders up that way as well. So hopefully we'll get some fish. And I'm using 2 rod setups. We're using 2 running ledges with size 1s, and we're using 2 traces coming off the bottoms of the traces. 2 hooks on, 2 hook flappers. We're mixing it all up. Baits of choice, we're going to get some nice live ragworm, some blacks, which are doing quite well as well, and also obviously mackerel. Because that's been working well when you that's the 3 best baits at the time. At this time, we've got all the gear set down there. Let's see, all the gear set down here, all ready to go. I just hope we get some fish. I'll see you when I get the mark. Oh, actually, when I'm on the train. What's Heworth now? It's a metro station. I was fishing in there half an hour.
I'm not a GM2. I know it then. You could give it a little bottom there. I don't know why I'm new to them for. What you were going to say, I thought you heard him and Tom guy. She was going to answer with flat, wind out of the water, flat.
So I tell you a whole and down truth? That was a picture off the internet.
Aye, it was a picture of you, not the
You're still spotting the set here, huh? It's low tide now, as you can probably tell. See a better spot in a second. It's low tide now, I've got to fish the flood. Hopefully get a few fish from this spot. See you in a second. There's our spot there, they're sticking out a bit there. Absolutely lovely. Hope we catch a few fish. Well, I'll go with being fishing for about an hour. We've only had a couple of tiny bites. Nothing yet. Still lashing the baits out. There's baits. That one bait was out there. Dave went up to get some food at Lidl's, just up the road in Aldi's. I'm watching the rods and that. The spot and see fishing away. Got ragworm on my rod on the left, far left, and they've got lug and blacks and mackerel on the other rods. Let's just hope we can get some fish out. Fished away there, just pulled this in. This little codling, get chucked back. There's plenty of these in the river apparently. Away he goes. Not bad fish for blading. She caught that there, nice whitey. Fishing there. Different things he's fishing away here.
I think it's just come off.
Nah, it might just swim towards you.
Oh, it's come off?
Oh, it's come off. Just fell off.
It did!
What was it like?
A little good enough.
Oh. He had the bite exactly the same time. One little codling and another little codling. Okay, now. Must be a run of them went past there. Get the rod straight in the water.
Oh, my God. Be further than its mouth.
Straight back here, yes, that's the kisses.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm the one blanking, aren't I?
Look how deep mine's gone.
I'll get it out with the scorcher.